Alright, here's the Monte Carlo Vios ceiling fan. This time running without the light. So, anyways, um, so if you're wondering why does this fan have a light cap, it doesn't show it in the catalog. Well, Monte Carlo, the 2012 and 13 and 14 and 15 catalog, they they don't show the fan with the light cap, and it doesn't say it has a light cap, but apparently this fan does because of the box. So yeah. Anyways, so let's get to testing it without the light. So never seen one without the light before. So yeah, here's low. It's about low with the no light cap. This time we're not going to show it with the light. So let's go to medium with no light. Hi. Let's reverse it. Oops. Oh, I thought this was a make air remote. What the? Oh. I just had to run for a quick second. Almost thought I was stuck in reverse. If it was stuck in reverse, I'd be really pissed. Here's spin down. Forgot to do spin down. I know this fan has a quick spin down. It's because it's a steep blade pitch. And low. Wrong button. Well, I tried, one time on the first try of reverse, at my grandparents' Make Air Concert 2, one with the failed capacitor, it, it didn't reverse, but then I tried again, it did reverse. I don't know what was going on. It's about low, medium, reverse. high. And that is it. Monte Carlo Vios ceiling fan with no light. Thank you for watching.